What's up, guys? Okay, so I know you guys are tired of the trend days, where we just keep pumping to one side and you basically get no entry at all. Um, so that's the model I want to teach you real quick in today's video, and then I'm going to backtest it and see like how good it actually is. So for this model to work, we need to like have a clear trend. When market opens, we either just pump and just keep pumping, or we just keep dumping. Just one way or another. And we need to have a clear drawn liquidity. The clear drawn liquidity can be session highs, it can be equal high, low resistance liquidity, it can be all sort of things. But basically, we need a clear drawn liquidity just for us to know that we might keep going to the one trending direction. So basically, market open, bang, bang, bang. We just keep trending. We could just keep trending. Okay. Then what I want to look for, I want to go on the 5 slash the 15-minute time frame. And what do I want to look for here? I want to look for fair value gaps. And I want to look for the fair value gap that aligns with EQ of the current range. And then I'll wait for it to drop down in this. Okay, and then I'll wait for us to present a fair value gap, just the first fair value gap that comes. And we wanna inverse this fair value gap with a decent amount of momentum, bang. And we also want to see EQ get respected, like a good respection or whatever it's called. And also the fair value gap, we can't just displace right through it, because then it's probably going to be invalid and we're going to reverse. But yeah, this is pretty much what I want to see, and then we'll just target the opposing liquidity and maybe leave a runner for the drawn liquidity. But let me get my sins real quick. Get my snooze real quick, and we will just start. I got this new. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that. Smells like ass. So I haven't taken one yet. I'll stick to the original ones. I just got out of the shower, that's why my hair is wet, but fuck it. Let's start this backtesting session. I'm excited. Okay. There'll probably be no cuts in the video. We'll just go right to it. So this is also the AX model. My AX model is split up in 3 different kind of strategies, or whatever you want to call it. But like 3 different, we got the retracement model, we got the continuation model, and we got the reversal model, okay? So here we are going to be focusing on the continuation model. Let's just start with 100k NQ. Yes. Bang. Which date? Let's just go for 2024. Oh. Let's just go for 2024. June 11th. 2-month. I think I'll just be going over maybe like 10 trades or something. We'll see. Depends on how many we get in a decent amount of time. But yeah, okay. So bias is not, we don't really want to look for bias in this model, to be honest. We can't be looking for the trending direction. Like in this case, for example, it looks like we could be displacing from this EQ level right here, but we will see. The overall trend is bearish though. This could be outdrawn liquidity low-key. Alright, let's just drop down. Market opened, bang. We are trending. Not really. Okay, so we are displacing from that 1 hour fair value gap right here. So where could our drawn liquidity be, you might ask? So I don't believe this. We also got to take some realistic trades, We would have wanted us to displace a little higher so we can touch EQ of the range right here. Or just displace lower so we can get a clear trend. Okay, so we are obviously not respecting this 5-minute gap right here. So we might just go in the opposite direction, but we'll see. Tapped into the... Okay. Definitely bullish up until... Are we at all-time highs? Yeah, it looks like... Yeah, we might just be displacing up to the all-time highs low-key. Do you have any gaps? Straw or EQ range to see where it's at? Just at the moment, kind of far. Okay, we got a 5-minute retracement. I would much rather to get a bigger retracement low-key. Okay. But I mean, this could also work. This would just not be a A+ continuation model setup right here. Okay. So with disrespect, we're not delivering out of anywhere, so I won't take this. I would really like us. Okay, we touched the 15-minute. Do we have a 30-second? Nope. Okay, what's that news? No. It's just a big candle. Okay, we got the EQ though. Okay, we are displacing from the last 15-minute value gap right here. We tapped EQ of the range. We got decent momentum upwards. Let's try this one. We got an unmitigated gap right here. That would be our first TP probably. And then we will target the opposing liquidity as well. Where was the unmitigated? It's just on this one. It's just starts consolidating. That's pretty crazy. Okay, that's our first TP. We'll just close like 50% here, and it's a 1-to-1, and we'll move our stop to break even. And where could our next TPP? Probably like a fixed 2-to-1 low key, like right here. Okay, looks like we didn't get that far, but we got a 1-to-1 at least. And now, are we delivering? It's kind of just chopping, but okay, now it's delivering. Okay, we tapped the 5-minute right here, tapped EQ of the range. We have a 5-minute family gap we could take. Oh, that sucks. That kind of sucks. Okay, so we got this one here. Nah, I don't like this one. If we invest this family gap right here, like right here or something, it would have been great, but we got too high up. And we at all-time highs now. We at all-time highs. Let's just go to the next session. So I'll be obviously looking for longs. Here we have some news, goddamn. We're inside the 15-minute. Okay, I'm pretty sure EQ is resting inside this 15-minute. it is. To get the retrace at some point. Okay, we got a retrace right here. This is also new, so what? Might be, I don't know. We don't have any fabulous we can inverse. We did get one right here actually. Well, I missed that. Look, we had this one. Kinda sucks I missed that one. I would definitely have taken that. But let's see if we can get another. Or if we just reverse now. Okay, we got this one. It's also 3 minutes. I would be willing to take this, but if the 3 minute doesn't inverse, I don't really know about this one. Okay, so the 3 minute didn't inverse, so this one doesn't count. We always have to wait for the biggest fair value gap to inverse. So I'll just make this a break-even trade. Or like I didn't take a trade. Let's go to the next session. Let's see what's going on here. Could have some liquidity resting right here. We got news. This. Oh, this is. I mean. Okay, tap the 5 minute and the 15 minute. Did it stabilize EQ of the range? Didn't. So let's wait for that. Okay, here we go. We got a 2 minute right here. And a 3 minute. It's just like kind of chopping around, you know. I would have liked a bit better reaction from the EQ of the range, but I'll try it. Target opposing liquidity. Here we also have a 5 minute. You could take TP from this, and I will go back even at that low as well. I don't like this one. Like, I mean, there could be better trades. Okay, that's break even. And close 50%. Next TP could be like some of these lows right here. Yeah, scale 50% again and leave the low hanging fruit down here. I would begin trailing my stop here. Trail it to right here. Bang. Okay, that's the first like insane trade we got. A 5 risk to reward with some scaling of course, but very good trade. Let's go to the next session. Okay. This could be our draw if we're bearish. And this could obviously be our draws if we're bullish. But let's see. Market open. Tap the 5 minute. Where's our EQ resting? Right here. Beneath this. I'm sorry, above this fabric right here. So that would be dream scenario. Okay, we touched it. And there's this one. Okay, this might be it. Low hanging fruit is this high right here. And a runner up to this one. See if this will work. We'll probably go break even. Yeah, at some point. Now let's play it out a little bit more. That's definitely break even. And we're pretty much at this high, so I'll take 50% off, and that was a risk to reward at 1 to 7.9. And okay, we got the scaling. So I mean, obviously the low hanging fruit is what we're aiming for, but a runner is always cool. Okay, let's see if this is a re-entry maybe. From the 3 minute. The 3 minute closed. 2 minute closed. We got a 5 minute as our break even. Yeah, I'll try this one. EQ could, nah, that's too low of a risk to reward. Fuck it, I mean, this one I'll risk maybe like 0.5. We got the retracement, but we also kind of like, I mean, yeah, I don't like that we like go up, go down, go up, go down, and then deliver now. We could easily have delivered from this leg right here, but we didn't. Only up to the high of day, but we'll see. Okay, that's our break even right there. We're sitting at at a decent 1-to-1. I will wait for a 2-to-1 to take profits. So right here, this could be a break-even trade. Okay, that's partials. It's close 75% here. 2-to-1 is pretty good. And let's see if this delivers all the way up to the data high. We'll take partials on the way. And accumulating, and break even. 2-to-1, 50%. I mean, it's good, very good. We're still holding this Fabulous, it's insane. Got another 3 minute, I'll try. One of these has to deliver. Okay, so still the same model. We got some low resistance liquidity, which is even better now. Our break-even spot is this 5 minute Fabulous gap right here. Let's try. So that's break-even. We'll take partials up here first. Okay, that's partials at a 2.29 to 1. Very good. So let's just take 75% off. More partials here. 25 and a runner. Will the runner hit? Will the runner hit? Bang. I mean, this model is insane. It's insane. Another 5-1. Next session. Okay, what do you have here? Learning from sweeping Asia. This is kinda obvious strong liquidity, the London high. I want EQ. It aligns perfectly with this. Nice reaction. Do you have any gaps? Not really. I have a 3 minute, that's it. I'll take the 3 minutes. This out round. We will take partials up here though. And leave a runner for the London high. Okay, that's partial plus break even. Bang! See if we can get another one squeezed in red here. I don't think so. Nope. Let's just go to the next one.
Jesus Christ. Er den sådan bare fyldt med det, eller hvad?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
Jeg er lige gang med at optage en video til YouTube her. Prøv lige chill. Altså, jeg har snart 100 abonnenter, bro.
Bøsse chat. Bang, bang, skidt, skidt.
Nu skal jeg til at cutte det ud. Fuck it. Okay, next session. Why do you not have any data right here? I don't know. Let's just see. Could get something here. Nope. Shit reaction. I really don't like any of this because this is just bad PA. This might be a no trade day. This one did kind of work, but it wasn't that good. We got this 1 minute. I'm sorry, 5 minute we tapped. But I can't really see it. No, oh shit, it's because of new week opening. Well, don't have any clear gaps right here. Tap the 5 minute. Oh, in EQ, touch EQ. We did. So do have 30 seconds. I will try this, but I will go break even quite quick. I think I might just go break even like, yeah, the next candle. Because we also on side A 1 minute. Oh, another 30 seconds. Now we'll risk like 0.5. Should have went break even a long time ago. Don't do it when it takes this high now. Okay, let's break even. Very chippy price action. Okay, we got this high right here. I would have taken profits here. It's about 1 to 1. Let's take 50%. And come on, give it to me. TP. 1.87 steady. I'm so close to getting stopped out. Let's go to the next one. I mean, this is still a drawn liquidity right here. Because we haven't filled it yet. But I don't know if we'll take it anytime soon. Also got this draw. Low resistance liquidity. Let's see where market takes us. Got the 5 minute, but it's pretty small. Also EQ. Let's see if we get a reaction from it. We don't. And EQ of this range right here. Good momentum. Chart is looking kinda chubby, I don't know why. It's like I'm trading ES. I would try this one. Take profit right here. Not really the best break even spot, to be honest. I would just go break even when I feel like it. I'll risk like 0.5 only. I'll just go break even right here. That's TP1. And let's see if we get the external. Nope. Alright, that's okay. Let's go to the next one. This will be the last one, I think. This is a weird session. Asia pumped. Could be going for some of these lows right here. We actually got it yesterday, so your own liquidity was right. Okay, took out those. Where's EQ? Up here. Get that. Okay, got it. To learn from this 15 minutes. Do I have any trades in here though? Not really. Get this one. Nope. And we're just facing right through it. Did have a single one up here. I should have taken that. There's no immediate reaction, so I don't really like this one. Let's see if we can get another re-entry from this 5 minute. We can't. Should have taken that one. Okay, we didn't get an EQ of this range right here, but maybe. Yeah, we are in EQ of this range, but we have 2 minutes. I don't, this is too low. I don't want to take this. But I waked out. Alright, are we delivering from anywhere? Okay, we have a 5 minute familiar back here, so I don't want to take this. Okay, this is a no trade day. Thursday. Let's do one more. This will be the last one. Get up Asia high. Asia high. Just placing right through it. Tap the 5 minute. EQ. Do we have a 50? Okay, we have a 50 minutes, so if we invest this one, it might be good. Did get 1 minute right up here. Did get a 1 minute right here. I'll wait. This one could be promising. But it could also go for this swing low right here. Swing high, I'm sorry. And then distribute. Break even is close, so I'll be willing to trade. Break even is already this low right here. This will be some of our take profits, and we will have a fixed risk to reward. Nah, this will just be our first. Whatever. Let's try it. This is probably a break-even trade. It's a loss. Okay. Well, we ended up. We will end this on a loss. Let's see the stats for the model. Okay, 88% win rate. That's crazy. 1.67 risk to reward average, I guess. And yeah, I mean, you can't really debate it. It's quite good. Insane model. I also made basically a step-to-step guide right here when you should look for continuation models in my Discord. I'll just pull it up real quick. Yeah, look. Right here. My bread and butter continuation model. Join the Discord, read this, and go back to it yourself. I'll see you in the next one.